Most men today have low testosterone, and they don't even realize it. And if you're watching this, there's a very high chance you're one of them. Think about it. You wake up tired even after sleeping 8 hours. You have zero motivation to do anything productive. You procrastinate all day and then hate yourself for it at night. Your confidence is low. Your energy is low. Your drive to go after what you want, completely gone. You look at yourself in the mirror and something just feels off. Your face looks softer. Your body doesn't respond to workouts like it used to. You feel older than your age. And the worst part, you've been blaming yourself this entire time. You think you're lazy, you think you're weak, you think everyone else has their life figured out and you're the only one falling behind. But what if none of that is your fault? What if there's a biological reason you feel like this? And it's happening because of things you do every single day without even thinking about them. Your food, your phone, your sleep, your stress, your daily routine, all of it. Quietly draining the one hormone that controls your energy, your confidence, your motivation, and how you feel as a man. Nobody tells you this. Not your school, not your doctor, not your parents. I'm going to break down exactly what's causing your testosterone to drop and how to fix it naturally. No supplements, no pills, just simple habit changes that actually work. Let's get into it. 1. Your sleep is destroying your testosterone. This is the biggest one, and almost every guy gets this wrong. Sleep is not just rest. Sleep is when your body produces the majority of your testosterone, specifically during deep sleep, that heavy dream phase part of the night. And here's the problem. Most guys sleep 6 hours, maybe 7 on a good night. And even that sleep is garbage quality, because they were scrolling reels right before bed, eating late, or sleeping in a room that's too warm. When you cut sleep short or mess up the quality, your body doesn't get enough time to produce testosterone. Studies have shown that men who sleep 5 hours instead of 8 have testosterone levels of a man 10 to 15 years older. You could be 23 with the testosterone of a 35-year-old just because of how you sleep. The fix is boring but non-negotiable. 7 to 8 hours minimum, no screens 30 minutes before bed, sleep in a dark, cool room. That's it. This one change alone will do more for your testosterone than any supplement you'll ever buy. 2. You're eating like your hormones don't matter. Your body builds testosterone from what you eat, literally. The raw materials come from your food. And what are most guys eating? Instant noodles, frozen pizza, chips, sugary drinks, fast food 5 times a week. Your body needs 3 things to produce testosterone: protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. When you eat processed garbage, you get none of that. Your body has nothing to work with, so testosterone production slows down. But here's what makes it worse. Processed food and sugar spike your insulin. Chronically high insulin directly suppresses testosterone, so you're not just missing the good stuff, you're actively eating things that fight against your own hormones. The fix doesn't require a perfect diet. Eat eggs every morning. They contain cholesterol, zinc, and protein, all directly tied to testosterone. Add red meat or chicken a few times a week. Throw in nuts, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds for healthy fats and zinc. Get some greens in. Spinach, broccoli for magnesium. You don't need a meal plan. Just swap the junk for real food most of the time and your body will respond. 3. You're sitting around too much. Your body was built to move, lift, build, push things. What do most guys actually do? Sit at a desk for 8 hours, come home, sit on the couch, lay in bed and scroll until they fall asleep. Your body reads all that sitting as a signal. We don't need to produce as much testosterone. You're not using your muscles. You're not challenging your body. So your hormones dial down to match your lazy lifestyle. And here's the specific thing that matters most. Lifting heavy. When you do compound movements, squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, your body releases a testosterone spike as part of the muscle repair process. These big movements trigger the biggest hormonal response. You don't need to live at the gym. 3 to 4 sessions a week, 45 minutes. Focus on lifting heavy with good form. And walk daily, even 20 minutes. Walking reduces cortisol, the stress hormone that directly fights testosterone. Lower cortisol means higher testosterone. It's that simple. Move more, lift heavy, walk daily. Your hormones will literally thank you. 4. Your stress is eating your testosterone alive. This one is huge and nobody talks about it enough. There's a direct war happening inside your body between cortisol and testosterone. When cortisol goes up, testosterone goes down. They compete for the same resources. When you're chronically stressed, work deadlines, money problems, relationship drama, constant overthinking, your cortisol stays permanently high. And as long as cortisol stays high, your testosterone stays crushed. This is why some guys work out, eat clean, sleep well, and still feel like crap. Their stress is quietly undoing everything. And modern life makes this 10 times worse. You're always available, always plugged in, always consuming drama and bad news through your phone. Your nervous system never calms down. Your cortisol never drops. Your body never gets a chance to recover. The fix sounds soft, but it's probably the most important one on this list. Spend 15 minutes a day in silence. No phone, no music, no podcasts, just quiet. Go outside. Sunlight and nature lower cortisol faster than anything else. And stop consuming content that stresses you out for no reason. The news, toxic group chats, social media that makes you feel behind in life. Cut it. Your testosterone literally rises when your stress drops. 5. Your phone is quietly killing your hormones. Most guys fall asleep scrolling. Most guys wake up and immediately start scrolling. Most guys have their phone glued to their hand 16 hours a day. Here's why that's a testosterone problem. Blue light from your screen suppresses melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep quality. Less melatonin means worse sleep. Worse sleep means less testosterone produced overnight. You already know that from point 1. But there's another layer nobody talks about. Dopamine. Every scroll, every like, every short video. Tiny dopamine hit, over and over. Hundreds of times a day. Your brain gets numb to it. Normal things stop feeling rewarding. You lose motivation. You lose drive. You feel flat and empty for no reason. And low dopamine directly kills testosterone production. The fix: 1 hour before bed, phone goes away. Not on silent. Away. In another room if you can. In the morning, 15 minutes of no phone. Let your brain wake up on its own instead of being hijacked by Instagram before you've even had water. 6. You're not getting enough sunlight. This one is criminally overlooked. Vitamin D is directly involved in testosterone production. Your body makes vitamin D when sunlight hits your skin. And most guys spend 90% of their day indoors, under fake light, behind windows that block the good rays. Men with healthy vitamin D levels have significantly higher testosterone than men who are deficient. And most guys, especially if you work a desk job, are deficient. You just don't know it. The fix takes 5 minutes. Get 15 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight every day. Morning sun is best. It also resets your cortisol rhythm and helps you sleep better at night. That's 2 problems fixed with 1 habit. Free. Takes 5 minutes. And most guys won't do it because it sounds too simple. Be the guy who actually does it. 7. Alcohol is turning your testosterone into estrogen. Last one. And nobody wants to hear this. Alcohol directly lowers testosterone, not just heavy drinking, even moderate, regular drinking. Here's what happens inside your body. Alcohol activates an enzyme called aromatase. What aromatase does is convert your testosterone into estrogen, so every drink is literally turning your masculine hormone into the opposite one. On top of that, alcohol wrecks your sleep quality. Even if you pass out for 8 hours after drinking, your body doesn't go through proper deep sleep, which means less testosterone produced. And alcohol causes inflammation. Inflammation suppresses testosterone even further. You don't need to quit forever, but if you're drinking 3 or 4 times a week and wondering why you feel low energy, low confidence, low motivation, this is a massive part of the answer. Cut it to once a week, or try 30 days completely off and watch what happens to your face, your energy, your mood, your body. Everything changes. Reality check. There's no magic pill for this. No supplement, no testosterone booster. No secret shortcut. If your sleep is broken, your diet is garbage, you never exercise, you're stressed all the time, and you're on your phone 16 hours a day, no product on earth will fix your testosterone. But the good news, every single thing I just talked about is fixable. Today, right now, the bottom line. You know what high testosterone actually feels like in real life? It's not aggression. It's not ego. It's waking up and actually wanting to get out of bed. Having energy without needing 5 cups of coffee. Walking with your chest up because you genuinely feel good, having focus, having drive, actually wanting to chase your goals instead of running from them. That's not some rare genetic gift that only some guys get. That's what happens when your habits are right and your hormones are working properly. Sleep right, eat real food, lift heavy, manage your stress, get sunlight, put your phone down, cut the alcohol, simple stuff. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, but done consistently. It changes everything about how you feel, how you look, and how you show up. The version of you with high testosterone isn't a different person. He's just the version that finally stopped ignoring the basics. Start tonight.